Can the universe really fulfill our desires just by writing them down?
That sounds almost too good to be true. Who thought of this cosmic ordering idea?
It was introduced by Bärbel Mohr, who proposed that simply creating a wish list could bring dreams to life.
She shared her concept in her magazine Sonnenwind and later expanded it in her book, The Cosmic Ordering Service.
So, what happened next?
Her ideas gained traction, especially through media personalities, notably Noel Edmonds in the UK.
His influence really helped popularize this concept.
How did Noel Edmonds get into this cosmic ordering?
He discovered it through his reflexologist after stepping away from television for a while.
Edmonds had been looking for a new challenge, and then Deal or No Deal fell into his lap.
That's fascinating. Did he have other cosmic successes?
Yes, he later wrote a book titled Positively Happy, exploring these ideas further.
And it's not just him. Various others claimed success too. Laura Hamilton, for example, credited it for her opportunity on Dancing on Ice.
Wow, what about Stephen Richards?
He transformed his life from poverty to wealth, citing cosmic ordering as the key.
Even Big Brother winner Brian Bellow claimed it helped him secure victory in 2007.
So it sounds like cosmic ordering is quite popular. But is there any pushback?
Absolutely. Critics like Carl Cooper have labeled it as nonsense.
He argues it's merely goal-setting cloaked in spiritual language.
That's harsh. Are there any examples of this ridicule?
Yes, in a satirical episode of The IT Crowd, the character Douglas wishes to the stars for a helicopter and other things, which leads to some comical consequences.
It essentially highlights the absurdity of treating cosmic wishes as guarantees of fulfillment.
So are all these desires just a fancy way to ask for things?
Many critics see it that way, shaking their heads at the idea that the universe acts like a waiter.
It seems like there's consensus on mixed feelings about cosmic ordering. How does it relate to serious matters like academia?
Interestingly, in 2007, some proposed it as a solution for women's inequalities in academia.
The logic was that asking the cosmos for promotions could help level the playing field against male colleagues.
But surely that attracted some criticism too.
It did, with many calling it scandalous and an opiate to dull the pain of reality.
There's clearly a divide between those who find empowerment in belief and those who advocate for concrete action.
That's compelling. So what's the broader societal view on cosmic ordering?
That's a great cliffhanger. Exploring the intersection of belief, personal agency, and social change could be the next step. Stay tuned.